Well, students, let us continue the remaining problems of exercise 1C. Question is, find the equation of a circle with center minus 2, 3, cutting chord length 2 units on 3x plus 4y plus 4 equals to 0. That means we need to find out the equation of this circle. The center of it is given C minus 2, 3. And cutting a chord length 2 units on 3x plus 4y plus 4 equals to 0, a line cuts this circle. A line 3x plus 4y plus 4 equals to 0 cuts this circle. Let us suppose that it cuts at A and B. So this chord length is given 2 units. Then we need to find out the equation of this circle. Solution: given C is equals to minus 2, 3. And so this is the perpendicular distance from the center of the circle to the line. Let us suppose this is D. So D is equals to perpendicular distance from center C minus 2, 3 to line 3x plus 4y plus 4 equals to 0. That means ax plus by plus c equals to 0, x1 y1. So the perpendicular distance is modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root of a square plus b square. So this is 3 into minus 2 minus 6 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 4 by square root of the quotient of x 3 square plus 4 square. So 12 plus 4 16 minus 6 which is 10 by 3 square plus 4 square root 25 which is 5. If you cancel this, so it is d is equals to 2. So given that the length of the chord is given that length of the chord AB is equals to 2. What is the length of the chord formula? 2 root of r square minus d square is equals to 2. 2 gets cancelled. Square root of r square minus d square is equals to 1. Square root of squaring on both sides, r square minus d square equals to 1. So implies r square minus d square is 2 square. So 2 square 4 is equals to 1. Therefore r square is equals to 4 plus 1 5. Therefore the equation of the circle having center C is equals to minus 2, 3 and radius is equals to root 5 is x minus of minus h comma k center radius r x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. So x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equals to r square 5. So therefore x square plus y square 2 2s are 4x minus 2 3s are 6y. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 4 13 minus 5 plus 8 is equals to 0 is the equation of the required circle. Find the equation of the tangent and normal at 1, 1 to the circle 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x. This is given. So S is, this is, so first let us convert this into the general equation of a circle. General equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So x square quotient should be 1. For which we need to divide the entire equation by 2. Then x square plus y square minus 2x by 2 minus x minus 5 by 2 y plus 3 by 2 equals to 0. So here center is equals to minus g minus f. Here minus is there, change the sign, and quotient of x is half, so 1 by 2. Here minus is there, you take a plus.
No, ma'am.
Y quotient is 5 by 2, it's half, so 5 by 4. So therefore the center is 1 by 2 comma 5 by 4. Now, so we need to find out the equation of the tangent to the circle at 1 comma 1. So therefore this is a tangent and this is a normal. Normal is what? The normal is a line which is perpendicular to the tangent and always passing through the center of the circle. So equation of the tangent at P 1 comma 1, which is x1 comma y1 to the circle s equals to 0 is s1 equals to 0. That implies xx1 plus yy1 minus x quotient half of that, so 1 by 2 into x plus x1 minus y quotient half of that, 5 by 2 by 2, 5 by 4. The symbols remains unchanged, the sign remains unchanged. Y plus y1 plus 3 by 2 equals to 0. So that implies x1 y1 is 1 comma 1. So x into 1 x plus y minus 1 by 2 of x plus 1 minus 5 by 4 y plus 1 plus 3 by 2 equals to 0. So let us take 4 as the LCM. So 4x plus 4y minus 4 by 2, 2. So 2 of x plus 1. So 2x minus 2 minus 5y minus 5 plus 4 is the LCM. 4 by 2 is 2, 2 3 is the 6 equals to 0. 4x minus 2x, 2x, 4y minus 5y minus y, 6 minus 5, 1 minus 2 minus 1 equals to 0. So this is the equation of the tangent. And what is the equation of the normal at x1 y1? X minus x1 into y1 plus f minus of y minus y1 into x1 plus g equals to 0. Instead of using it, we have got a direct method. What is that? Last year we have learned. So if this is the line, what is the line perpendicular to this? X quotient 2 and y quotient 1 is interchanged, and in between symbol minus is there, you have to replace it by plus. So equation of the normal is of the form x plus 2y plus k equals to 0. So that is this normal, and this normal is passing through 1 comma 1. Substituting 1 comma 1 implies x is 1, 2 1s are 2 plus k equals to 0 implies k equals to minus 3. Therefore equation of the normal is x plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. The question is, prove that the tangent at 3 comma minus 2 of the circle x square plus y square equals to 13. So let us suppose that this is the circle x square plus y square equals to 13. The center of this circle is 0 0 origin, and the tangent at 3 comma minus 2. So let us suppose that this is the line which touches this circle at 3 comma minus 2. So the tangent at 3 comma minus 2 is S1 equals to 0. So then we will be getting one line, and we need to show that this line touches this circle. So this line S1 equals to 0, what we are going to get. So that line should touches this circle. So we need to show that R equals to D. So and further the point of contact. So this point of contact is what we need to show, what we need to find. So let us start. The center of S is equals to x square plus y square is equals to 13. The center of this is 0, 0. So equation of the tangent at 3 comma minus 2 to S equals to 0 is S1 equals to 0. That implies x1 plus y1 minus 13 equals to 0. That implies x1 y1 is this value, x1 y1. So 3x minus 2y minus 13 equals to 0. Therefore this is the equation of the tangent. Tangent is also a line. So this line, we need to show that this line touches this circle. So clearly the diagram shows that this line touches this circle. So to show that the line touches the circle, we are required to show that radius is equals to perpendicular distance from the center of the second circle to this line. So what is the another circle? Let us suppose that it is S dash equals to 0. This is S dash equals to 0 and this is S equals to 0. So S dash is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 10y minus 26 equals to 0. The center of this is plus is there, you take the opposite sign, minus x quotient half, so 1 comma, take the opposite sign of the y quotient. So here minus is there, you take a plus, and y quotient 10, half of that, so 5. And what is the radius? Square root of g square plus f square minus c, that is equals to g square is 1 minus 1 square 1 plus 5 square 25 minus c, minus of minus plus 26, that is equals to root 52. Root 52 can be written as 4 13s 52, so 2 root 13. So to show that this line touches this circle, so the perpendicular distance from the center of this circle to this line, which is D, should be the same as the radius 2 root 13. So D is equals to perpendicular distance from center C minus 1 comma 5 of S dash equals to 0 to the line. What is this line? So earlier we have find. So 3x minus 2y minus 13 equals to 0. So 3x minus 2y minus 13 equals to 0. So perpendicular distance formula, x1 y1 ax plus by plus c equals to 0, modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root of square of the quotient of x plus square of the quotient of y. So modulus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 into 5 minus 10 minus 13 by square root of 3 square plus 2 square, 3 square plus minus 2 whole square. So minus 10 minus 13 minus 23 minus 3 minus 26 modulus means it is 26 by, so 3 square plus 2 square, so root 13. So this is 26 is 13 2's by root 13. If you cancel this in this, so root 13 times, so 2 root 13 we get. Therefore since r equals to d, therefore implies the line, what is this line? 3x minus 2y minus 13 equals to 0. The line 3x minus 2y minus 13 equals to 0, which is the tangent to the circle, earlier circle at x1 y1. This is the equation of the tangent. So this tangent is also a line. This line touches this circle. That is what we need to show. So the line 3x minus 2y minus 13 is equals to 0 touches the s dash equals to 0. Next continuation. So he is asking to find the point of contact. This line touches this circle at this point. So we need to find the point of contact. Let Q, H, K be the required point of contact. Clearly Q is the foot of the perpendicular from C minus 1 comma 5, which is x1 y1, to the line 3x minus 2y minus 13 equals to 0. So remember foot of the perpendicular concept. So this is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, and this is p x1 y1, and this is q h comma k. So let us suppose this to be L. So this PQ is perpendicular to L. So QH comma K is the foot of the perpendicular. So the foot of the perpendicular formula is H minus x1 by A is equals to K minus y1 by B is equals to minus of A x1 plus B y1 plus C by square root of A square plus B square, implies H minus x1 is minus, this is x1 and this is y1. So h minus of minus h plus 1 by x coefficient 3 is equals to k minus y1 value is 5 by coefficient of y, so minus 2 is equals to minus of ax1, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 into 5 minus 10 minus 13 by a square plus b square, 3 square plus minus 2 whole square, implies h plus 1 by 3 is equals to k minus 5 by minus 2 is equals to, this is minus 26 minus of minus plus 26, this is 3 square plus 2 square 13, so 26 by 13 which is equals to 2, implies h plus 1 by 3 equals to 2, implies h plus 1 equals to 2 3s are 6, there implies h is equals to 6 minus 1 5. Similarly k minus 5 by minus 2 is equals to 2. So k minus 5 is equals to minus 4. So k value is equals to this minus 5, you take that side, plus 5 minus 4, 1. Therefore, Q, H comma K point of contact is equals to 5 comma 1. The next question is, find the x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equals to 0. So this is the circle. So we need to find out the equation of the tangents to the circle. That means we want tangents to the circle, and what is the speciality? The required tangents are parallel to x plus y minus 8 equals to 0. So one line already exists here. So parallel to this, we want a tangent to this circle. So parallel to this x plus y minus 8 equals to 0, clearly there are two lines exists. That is why find the equations of the tangents. That is the question given. So parallel to this, there exists two tangents, and we need to find out the equation of the tangents. So before this, actually we have been find out the equation of the tangent at p x1 y1. Here the point p x1 y1 is not given, but the line is given. So the equation of the tangent at p x1 y1 to the circle s equals to 0 is s1 equals to 0, and we have another equation of the tangent formula. What is that? Slope form of the tangent. So solution, the slope form of the tangent to s equals to 0 is y plus f equals to m into x plus g plus or minus r into square root of 1 plus m square. So when the point p x1 y1 is not given, and actually line is given, and parallel perpendicular or making an angle theta is given, then this is what we will use to obtain the equation of the tangent. Here circle is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equals to 0. So g value is equals to, you just compare this with the general equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. 2g equals to minus 4, g equals to minus 2, 2f equals to 6, f equals to 3. So the constant value c is equals to minus 12, and what is the radius? Square root of g square plus f square minus c, that is equals to g square minus 2 square 4, 3 square value is 9, minus of minus plus 12, so root 25, which is value 5. And so therefore equation of the required tangents are y value y plus f 3 is equals to, here the slope is slope of x plus y minus 8 equals to 0 is slope m equals to minus a by b. For the line ax plus by plus c equals to 0, the slope is m equals to minus a by b, minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So minus 1 by 1 minus 1. So therefore parallel slope is also same, minus 1. So this is the m. So y plus 3 is equals to m value is minus 1 into x plus g. X plus g value is minus 2 plus r minus y plus r minus. Clearly the diagram shows that parallel to this, there are two tangents to this circle. That is why one plus for one line and one minus for another line. So plus or minus, R value is 5 into root of 1 plus m square. So 1 plus m square, m value is minus 1 whole square. So 1 square this. That implies y plus 3 is equals to minus x minus into minus plus 2 plus or minus 5 root 2. Therefore, x plus y, 3 minus 2 is plus 1. This plus or minus, if you take this side, minus or plus. So, there is no change if I write plus or minus as well. 5 root 2 is equals to 0 are the equations of the required tangents. One tangent is this. If I take 1 plus here, plus 5 root 2 is this line. And if I take minus 5 root 2, that is this line. The next question is similar kind of question. Find the equations of the tangents to the circle. The circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 3 equals to 0 is this equation of the circle. And which are perpendicular to. We want the equation of the tangent and that tangent is perpendicular to this. So that means, for example, this is the line 3x minus y plus 4 equals to 0. So this line 3x minus y plus 4 equals to 0. So we want two tangents to the circle. They are perpendicular to this 3x minus y plus 4 equals to 0. Clearly. So for this line, this as well as this. See, I have shown in the diagram as well perpendicular symbol. So these two lines are perpendicular to this line and tangent to this circle. So the equation of the circle is this. So G value is x coefficients half and y coefficients half with the symbols remains unchanged and radius is g square plus f square minus c. So minus of minus plus 3 is root 5. So given line is 3x minus y plus 4 equals to 0. The slope of this line is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Slope is minus x coefficient by y coefficient minus a by b. So minus 3 by minus 1. So which is 3. But this is not the one which we require. So this is the slope of this. And we want the line which is perpendicular to this. These two. These two lines are perpendicular to this. Therefore, we want the line which is perpendicular to this. The slope of the line perpendicular to this is perpendicular slope. A minus a by b is perpendicular is b by a. That means 3 by 1. So it's reciprocal with a sign changed. So minus 1 by 3. So therefore slope of the tangent is y plus f is equals to m into x plus g plus or minus r into square root of 1 plus m square. So m value is this we are going to take and radius is there, gf values is there. All we need to do is just to substitute in this. Then so here 1 plus m minus 1 by 3 whole square is 3 square, 9 plus 1 10 by 3 square. So this is root 5 into root 10, root 50. Root 50 is 25 twos. So 5 root 2. So this is the ultimate answer. The next question is similar kind of question. Find the equation of the tangents to the circle which are making an angle 45 degrees with the x-axis. So as usual circle is given. So this circle I've compared with the general equation of a circle. Then g value, f value I got. And the c is equals to the constant 3. Radius is equals to g square plus f square minus c. So 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 9 plus 4 13 minus 3 that is 10 under root. So given inclination is theta equals to 45 degrees. So slope is equals to tan inclination. So m equals to tan theta tan 45 1. Slope form of the tangent to the circle s equals to 0 is. So this formula I just substituted. Then actually this is what I got. The next question is Find the equation of the circle passing through minus 1 comma 0. Let us suppose that this is the equation of the required circle and this circle is passing through minus 1 comma 0 and this circle touches x plus y minus 7 equals to 0. This circle touches this line. What is this line? X plus y minus 7 equals to 0 at 3 comma 4. The point of contact is 3 comma 4. This circle touches this line at 3 comma 4 is the data given. So to obtain the equation of the circle, if we find h comma k center of the circle and radius r, then what is the equation of the circle? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. The central form when the center of the circle and radius are given. Okay, so let C h comma k be the center of the required circle. Okay, and see this, since minus 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 4 lies on the circle, the distance from the center to this point and the distance from this center to this point represents the same radius, no? So that is why let us suppose this A and this is B. So CA is equals to CB equals to radius implies what is, so what is the radius? Distance formula h minus h plus 1 whole square plus h plus 1 whole square plus k minus 0 whole square is equals to h minus 3 whole square plus k minus 4 whole square. So if I square on both sides, squaring on both sides, then square and root remains cancelled. So this is h square plus 1 plus 2h plus k square is equals to h square plus 3 square 9, 2 3s are 6h plus k square plus 4 square 16 minus 2 4s are 8k. So h square k square cancelled. So that implies this minus 6h, if you bring this side, 2h plus 6h 8h. So this minus 8k, if you bring here LHS, this is plus 8k. 9 plus 16 plus 24, if you plus 25, if you take this side minus 25, 1 minus 25 is minus 24 equals to 0. Therefore, if you cancel 8 throughout the equation, then h plus k minus 3 equals to 0. Let us suppose that this is the, here this CB is perpendicular to the line given. So CB is perpendicular to L. So slope of L equals to 0 is, let us suppose the slope of this I have taken it to be m1. m1 equals to minus a by b, so minus 1, and slope of CB is equals to, so what is the slope when 2 points are given? Difference of ordinates by difference of abscissa. So k minus 4 by h minus 3. Now since CB is perpendicular to L, let us suppose the slope of this to be m2. So since the two lines are perpendicular, then their slope is, the product of the slopes are minus 1, implies m1 is minus 1 into m2 is k minus 4 by h minus 3 is equals to minus 1. So if you cancel this, then we get k minus 4 is equals to h minus 3. So that implies h minus k, h minus k, minus 3 plus 4 plus 1 equals to 0. This is the second equation. So simply solving the 1 and 2 equations, we will be getting the values of h comma k, and that is the center of the required circle. Now solving 1 and 2. So if we solve 1 and 2 equations, h plus k minus 3 equals to 0 and this, then c h comma k is 1 comma 2 is what we are getting. Now to obtain the radius, the distance from this point and this point or this point to this point gives the same answer. So the radius r equals to CA. So C value is 1 comma 2 here. So 1 comma 2 to minus 1 whole square. So square root of 1 minus of minus. So 1 plus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square. So 1 plus 1 whole square, 2 square 4, 2 square 4. So this is root 8. So therefore equation of the required circle having center C 1 comma 2, this is h comma k, and radius r equals to root 8 is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So implies x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equals to r square is 8. So therefore x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y. So 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 4 plus 1 5. This plus 8, if you take this side, 5 minus 8, which is minus 3 equals to 0, is the equation of this required circle. So the next question is, find the equations to the circles which touch the lines 4x plus 3y plus 5 equals to 0, 3x minus 4y minus 10 equals to 0, and passes through. Let us suppose that this is the circle, and there is also a possibility of another circle like this, and if you extend this line, then there is a possibility of another circle as well, fulfilling the condition that the circle touches this line, and as well as if you extend this line, this line as well. So let us confine to one situation only for the convenience. So this circle is passing through 1 comma minus 1, and if you notice these two lines, the slope of this line is, let us suppose the slope be m1. m1 is equals to a minus a by b. So minus x coefficient by y coefficient minus 4 by 3. If you take the slope of this line be m2, m2 is equals to minus a by b, minus 3 by minus 4, so 3 by 4. So minus 4 by 3 into 3 by 4. The product of the slopes is equals to minus 1. That means for this circle, the two lines are perpendicular. So the given two lines are perpendicular, and these two lines touches this circle, and the circle is passing through 1 comma minus 1. So since the circle touches the lines which are perpendicular, the center of the circle lies on the angular bisector of the given two lines. So the bisectors of the angle between the given lines, as we have discussed in the first 0. From this, 4x plus 3y plus 5 by 5 plus or minus 3x minus 4y minus 10 by 5 equals to 0. If you take 5 as the LCM, so 1 by 5 into, so 4x plus 3x, 7x, 3y minus 4y minus y, 3y minus 4y minus y, 5 minus 10 minus 5 equals to 0. From this, so y is equals to 7x minus 5 and 1 by 5. First we have considered plus and now minus. So 1 by 5, if you take 5 as an LCM, 4x minus 3x, x, 3y minus of minus plus 4y, 3y plus 4y is 7y. Next 5 minus of minus plus 10, so that is 15 equals to 0. So this 5, if you take that side, 0. So from this, x is equals to minus of 7y plus 15. So now if the center lies on x is equals to minus of 7y plus 15, the center is of the form, so minus of 7k plus 15 comma k. Now C minus of 7k plus 15 plus k, so that is this, okay, and the distance from this point to center gives us a radius. Similarly, the distance between this to this line or this line also gives the radius. So let us suppose this P. So CP, the distance between the 2 points, C, let us take this to be M. CM is the perpendicular distance from the center of the circle, what we got now, to the line. So this as well as this both represents the radius. For this implies 4 into the perpendicular distance from this point to this line. So 4 into minus of 7k plus 15 plus 3 into k plus 5 by square root of 4 square plus 3 square is equals to square root of minus 7k minus 15 minus 1 whole square plus k minus of minus, so k plus 1 whole square. Now, so this is 4 into minus 7 minus 28k plus 3k minus 25k, 4 15 60 plus 5, 4 15s with minus, so 4 minus 15s minus 60 plus 5 minus 55 by 4 square plus 3 square under root 25, which is 5, is equals to, so this is square root of, if you take minus as a common, then 7k plus 16 whole square plus k plus 1 whole square. So if you take 5 as a common factor here, so minus 5 if you take common, so 5k plus 11 by 5, so this 5 gets cancelled, so minus square, so plus, so 49k square a plus b whole square. 16 is 256 plus 16 2s 32 7s 224k plus k square plus 1 plus 2k. So which is under root. So squaring on both sides, then 5k plus 11 whole square is equals to, so square and root gets cancelled, 49 plus 49k square plus k square 50k square, 224 plus 2 226k plus 256 plus 1 257. Now 5k square 25k square plus 11 square 121 plus 2 5s are 10 10 11s, so 110k is equals to 50k square plus 226k plus 257. This implies 50k square, this plus 25k square, if you transpose 50 minus 25, 25k square plus 226 minus 110, which is 116k plus 257 minus 121, so 7 minus 1 6, so 5 minus 2 3, so 136 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in terms of k. So whether the roots are possible or not can be ascertained by the discriminant b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac, let us check this, b square minus 4ac. So 116 whole square minus 4ac, 25 into 136. So 116 whole square is 13456 minus 13600, which is equals to minus 144, which is less than 0. Therefore k is imaginary. That means the center does not lie on minus 7k minus 15 plus k. The circle does not lie on x is equals to minus 7 plus 15. The center has to lie on the another possibility which we have prepared before, y is equals to 7x minus 5. So therefore it is of the form k comma x coordinate, if you take k, then y coordinate is 7k minus 5. So implies 4 into k, that is this time c is k comma 7k minus 5. So the perpendicular distance from the center of the circle to the any one of the lines, so this line I am taking. So 4k plus 3 into 7k minus 5 plus 5 by square root of 4 square plus 3 square, so root 25 5 is equals to k minus 1 whole square plus 7k minus 5 minus of minus plus 1 whole square under root. So 4k, 3 7s are 21k plus 4k, 25k, 3 minus 5 minus 15 plus 5 minus 10 by 5 is equals to, this is k square plus 1 minus 2k plus, this is 7k minus 4 whole square, 7 square 49k square, 4 square 16 minus 2 7s are 14, 14 4s 56k. So this is 7k minus 5 minus of minus plus 1. So 7k plus minus 4 whole square. So 4 square 16, 7k square 49 k square. So 7 4s are 28, 2s 56k. Now if I take 5 as the common here, then 5k minus 2 by 5. So 5 gets cancelled. Square root of 49k square plus k square, 50k square. Next minus 56 minus 2 minus 58k. So 16 plus 1 17. Again squaring on both sides. Then 5k whole square 25k square, 2 square 4 minus 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20k is equals to 50k square minus 58k plus 17. So 50k square minus 25k square is 25k square. So minus 58 plus 20 is minus 38k. 17 minus 4, so plus 13 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation in terms of k again. So the roots of this is 25k square minus 25k minus 13k plus 13 equals to 0. If I take 25k as a common, then k minus 1 minus 13 if you take common, k minus 1 equals to 0 implies k is equals to, so 25k minus 13 equals to 0, k is equals to how much? 13 by 25 and k minus 1 equals to 0, k equals to 1. Therefore, the two possibilities arises, k equals to 13 by 25 and 1. If you take k is equals to 13 by 25 and substitute k in c, k 7k minus 5, then c is equals to how much? 13 by 25, comma, 7 into 13. So 91 by 25 minus 5. So therefore c is equals to 13 by 25 comma 25 is 125 minus 91, so minus 34 by 25. So the radius is equals to, so therefore this is 13 by 25 comma minus 34 by 25. So radius is this, distance between the 2 points, 13 by 25 minus 1 whole square plus minus 34 by 25 minus of minus plus 1 whole square, that is equals to 13 minus 25 is minus 12 by 25. So minus 12 by 25 whole square, so 144 by 625 plus 25 ones 25 minus 34 plus 25 is minus 9 whole square, so which is 81 by 625, that is equals to 144 plus 81 is 225 by 625, that is equals to 225 under root is 15 by 625 under root is 25. So if you cancel 5 table, then 3 by 5. So this is the center and this is the radius. If h comma k is the center of the circle and r is the radius, then what is the equation of the circle? Equation of the circle is x minus 13 by 25 whole square plus y minus half minus 34 by 25 whole square is equals to r square 3 by 5 whole square. That implies x square, so 13 by 25 whole square. So this is what we got. Now the second case is, if k is equals to 1, substitute k in that 1 in again this, then another condition we are getting. Now the second case is, if k equals to 1, substitute k in k 7k minus 5, then c is equals to k is 1, 7 ones are 7 minus 5 is 2. So therefore equation of the circle having center C h comma k, that is equals to 1 comma 2, and radius r is equals to, so radius r is square root of, now the center is 1 comma 2 now, and the radius is the distance between the 2 points. So 1 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus of minus 2 plus 1 whole square, that is, this is 0, 2 plus 1 whole square, 3 square, 9 under root, so 3 is x minus h whole square 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equals to 3 square. So that implies x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 2 square, 4 plus 1 5, this plus 3 square if you bring this side, 5 minus 8, so minus 5, 2 square 4 plus 1 5 minus 9 minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore the required circles are x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 4 equals to 0, and 25 into the previous one which we got, 25 into x square plus y square minus 26x plus 68, 5 plus 44 equals to 0. Because this is one circle, there is possibility of another circle like this, and that circle is also touches the one of the line, and this is another line. So that is why we got two circles.